Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you all the review of two shampoos. The first one is Nile Advanced Shampoo Damage Repair and the second one is Nile Advanced Shampoo Volume Enhance. So before starting with the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So the first shampoo which I'm going to give you the review of is the Nile Advanced Shampoo Damage Repair. So as you can see, this shampoo is paraben free and the other shampoo is also paraben free. This shampoo contains hibiscus, papaya, shikakai, amla and makes your hair strong and smooth. So as you can see, it is written here. Every drop of Nile Advanced Shampoo is paraben free, filled with goodness of natural extract of shikakai, amla, hibiscus, papaya. It repairs hair strength and makes it smooth and silky. The pH balance of Nile shampoo give you the additional damage protection. So talking about the price of this product is 305 rupees and it contains in the quantity of 800 ml. Obviously, if you are using the product for the first time, you can obviously go for the smaller bottle which comes of 400 ml, I think. So you can go for that. I've been started using this shampoo a long time before where I could see that my hairs are really very damaged. So I started using this shampoo and I would really like to tell you that this product makes your hair back to the original condition it was in and really helps with damaged hair. But I also wanted to tell you that after my hair got repaired, I continued using this shampoo just because I felt that it is a very good shampoo. But you should be very careful that after your damage gets repaired, don't continue using the shampoo because then it will make your hairs a little dry. But if you're using a conditioner along with it, it's okay. Like, I prefer not to use a conditioner after using the shampoo because these shampoos give you that additional smooth and silky hairs. But if you are using a conditioner, the problem which I felt, maybe you will not go through that. And really guys, this shampoo really helps to repair the damaged hair and gives you that extra nourishment which your hairs need. And obviously it is made of all natural ingredients, so it is very good. And I've also heard somewhere that the shampoos which are transparent are really good for your hair as it does not contains chemicals. So I think you should go with this shampoo and it will really show effect on your hair. I think for me it showed a effect after 1 or 2 washes. Obviously it may take time for some people, take lesser time for some people, but I think it will definitely help to repair and help to enhance your hair. So I really recommend this shampoo for damaged hair. But after my hairs got repaired, I switched on to the other product of this brand only, which is the Nile Advanced Volume Enhancer. And it is really very good for normal hair types and people who like to boost their hairs. So starting with the second product, this is also the paraben free product and as written here, it contains amla, lavender, blackberry and rita and it is for volume and bounce. So the same thing as written over there maybe is written here. I'll just read it and show it to you guys. Every drop of Nile Natural Advanced Shampoo is paraben free, filled with the goodness of natural extracts of Rita, Amla, Blackberry, Lavender, helping you enjoy the long and bouncy hair. The pH level of Nile shampoo gives you the additional damage protection, and you can also see the ingredients over here if you want to see it. So the same thing goes for this. It is of 305 rupees and it comes in a bottle of 800 ml. If you want a smaller bottle, obviously you can go for it. But I really like this shampoo and I'm using it for a very long time. So I prefer going for the bigger bottle because I completely love the shampoo. So as you can see, I've used this shampoo more than that shampoo. Obviously I've used more bottles of both of these shampoos before this, but currently I'm using this shampoo because my hairs are already turned into a normal hair type from damaged hair, and this shampoo really gives your hair that extra volume, that extra bounce, and smoothens your hair. Like, I don't need to apply conditioner after using this shampoo, and I'm not applying the conditioner since a very long time. As for me or any other person, it is obviously said that you should not apply conditioner if you're having a hair fall. Obviously, I'm not having hair fall, but I prefer not to use a conditioner because this shampoo gives already gives me that extra nourishment that a conditioner would give me. And here you go with a tip. People who are having hair fall, I would suggest you to try and not apply conditioner for some time, so that you can see that after not applying a conditioner, it will reduce your hair fall to some extent. Obviously, it does not work for every hair type, but I think you should see and try and use this thing, a tip which I had used before, and it really worked out for me. So I continue to not apply conditioner, and I don't need to apply conditioner after using this shampoo because this is really a very good shampoo. So basically, I am not that kind of person who tries to change their shampoo after matlab, after I think 2 or 3 months. Like, people try and change their shampoo after 2 and 3 months, and they think that it will help your hairs. But I am a type of person which would like to use a same shampoo or the shampoo of the same brand if it suits me for really long time. And this shampoo really suits me. Like, it is very affordable shampoo, and it is very good for your hair. So I think you should give this brand a try. Obviously, for some people think that if a shampoo or any product is little cheap, maybe it will damage your hair, or maybe it will not work for hair. But I think you should give a try to this shampoo, or give a try to this brand. There's another shampoo of this brand which comes in green color. I'm not sure what ingredients it contains of, but I'm currently using this shampoo and it really is helping me. So I think you guys should also try this shampoo, and tell me in the comment section, did you like the shampoo, or what effect it did on your hair. So thank you guys for the patient listening. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please give this shampoos a try. Thank you so much.